Hi, Early World History class. This is Miss Moses' Canvas course, and this video focuses on Module 2, and we're going to be doing the reading for the Ottomans conquer Constantinople. The directions tell us to analyze the texts that follow and respond to 3 questions. The Ottomans conquer Constantinople in 1453. By the early 1400s, the Ottoman Empire had extended its territory, leaving only the Constantinople as the desirable region to conquer. By the 1400s, the Byzantine Empire was in a decline. The city suffered with depopulation and had shrunk in size. A previous sultan, Sultan Murad II, attempted to conquer Constantinople in 1422, but failed. In 1453, the Ottomans invaded Constantinople under the leadership of the then 21-year-old Ottoman Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror. After a 53-day siege, the Ottomans successfully defeated the army led by the Byzantine Empire. Constantine VI, Mehmed II, attacked Constantinople with a force of between 75,000 and 100,000. As well as a large fleet. Mehmed II also used a powerful cannon. While first attempts to break through the fortifications were unsuccessful, however, they were eventually able to breach the city walls, kill the emperor, and attack others within the city walls. It is said that Mehmed II rode a white horse through the streets. The Ottoman Empire's conquest of Constantinople was a major turning point because it marked the end of the Byzantine Empire, and some argue the end of the Middle Ages. This victory by the Muslim Ottoman Empire also threatened the dominance of Christianity in the region, as the Ottoman came to control one of the most important cities, which also held significant Christian structures, like the Hagia Sophia. Mehmed II converted Hagia Sophia from a church to a mosque. Additionally, Constantinople became the capital of the Ottoman Empire. The conquest had specific economic impacts as well. Control of Constantinople meant control of important trade routes. In search of a new trade route to the east, the 16th century saw European nations, including invest in funding explorers and exploration technology. Question number 1. How did the Ottomans conquer Constantinople in 1453? Question number 2. Why was this conquest a turning point? Why was it so important? Solomon the Magnificent. From 1520 to 1566. The Ottoman Empire had a golden age under the Sultan named Solomon. The Ottomans called Solomon the Lawgiver. The Europeans called him the Magnificent. Solomon also developed laws and enforced the Islamic law of Sharia. Solomon had several accomplishments. Took on bold military campaigns that increased the amount of territory controlled by the Ottomans. Increased naval strength, which allowed them to conquer parts of North Africa. Oversaw achievements of Ottoman civilization in the field of law, literature, art, and architecture. Built strong fortresses to defend his territories. Adorned and modernized the cities of the Islamic world, including Mecca, and so on, with mosques, bridges, aqueducts, and other public works. Question number 3. What were some of Solomon's achievements? To complete this assignment, you are only responding to questions 1, 2, and 3 in red.